while the ANC is still arguing if they should be hanging their heads in shame or not, we've done it. The regular post is now minding its own business. Yes, the regular post, the regular post is minding its own business. The best online satirical comedy and commentary show South Africa has to offer is minding its own business. Today, we're not bringing you jokes. We're not joking. This is not a joke. This is not a laughing matter. If you want to laugh, you can check our channel, subscribe, and enjoy all our previous and future episodes. We're not here for that. Expecting us to be making jokes now would be rude. It would be like selling funerals at a funeral cover. That's not how it works. Yes, I'm serious. Funerals at a funeral cover. This is not laughing matter. This is not a joke, because today we take this time to celebrate the future of the Stand Foundation. Yes. What did I say? Stand Foundation? Stand. Yeah, stand. Must stand. Stand up. STAND Foundation. Yeah, I think I made a mistake. Sustaining Theatre and Dance Foundation. Who cares? An organization founded and formed by people in the performing arts sector. For people in the sector. It's like FUBU. For us by us. Except in this case, stand just means stand. Against COVID. Or fight COVID. And stand up and go home. Stand wants to mobilize the dance and theatre sector to stand together. To look after their own. They want the dance and theatre sector to stand together. The problem with that statement is that dancers can't stand together. They're like kids. Every time they hear noise, they want to go there. Stand wants to nurture, promote, and celebrate contemporary South African theatre and dance now and beyond the pandemic. And we wish them the best. We look forward to what they will be bringing us from now and beyond. Heading you ahead.